In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange items on Shopify 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control the order your products appear in on a collection page, so shoppers see your most important items first. Start by opening your Shopify admin in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Products. From there, go into Collections. This is where all the groups of products on your store live, like new arrivals, best sellers, or any custom collection you've set up. Choose the collection you want to reorder. Clicking into a collection opens a list of the products that belong to it. Near the top of this list, you'll see a sort menu. It might currently be set to options like best selling, price, or newest. To take full control, open that menu and select manual. Switching to manual tells Shopify that you want to decide the exact order yourself instead of relying on automatic sorting. With manual selected, you can now rearrange the products, hover over a product in the list and use the drag handle next to it to move it up or down. Drag and drop each item into your preferred order. Place your hero products, new releases, or high converting items right at the top so they're immediately visible to shoppers. Group related styles together to make browsing feel intuitive, and keep seasonal pieces in prominent positions while they're relevant. A quick note, if you don't see the handles or you can't drag items, double check that the sort menu is set to manual. Also remember that the order you set here applies only to this specific collection. If you want a different arrangement in another collection, repeat the same process there. For automated collections that include products based on rules, switching sort to manual still lets you control the display order, while the rules continue to decide which products are included. After rearranging, your collection page on the storefront will reflect the new sequence. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh your storefront page. Sometimes it takes a short while for changes to show publicly, depending on your theme and caching. That's all it takes. Open your Shopify admin, go to products, then collections, pick the collection you want, set sort to manual, and drag and drop your products into the order that best tells your brand story. Thanks for watching, and happy merchandising.